Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing great. I'm Sachin Chande. I'm an entrepreneur having 15 plus years of experience in various technologies. I'm certified PMI professional and also certified Agile Scrum Master. I have worked in various technologies. I have worked in web development, mobile development throughout my career. I am very good with SQL Server and MSBI and Big Database Couchbase. Now there is this question that is always asked on Upwork. How do I make this project a grand success, or what are the suggestions for making this project successful? Now there are three suggestions that you can definitely try. Suggestion number one is UI prototype. So after project is awarded, make sure your developer or UI designer always gives you UI prototype. Now what do we mean by UI prototype here is, in case of web applications, we need to have set of HTML files which end user or client can see, and he can get the feeling of the end product. So what does that assure? That assures that the output or the product that he's going to get at the end of the project is in line with his expectations. So it's not going to be like that, okay, I was expecting this, but I have got this. Let me share an image with you. Yeah, so after looking at this image, you get an idea like what is the advantage of getting UI prototype done during or let's say at the beginning of the project. So always remember, get the UI prototype done. That is suggestion number one, and it is very important because that gets the product in line with your expectation. Developer also knows what he has to develop at the end. Okay, so let me go to suggestion number two. Suggestion number two is paying technical debt. Now, what do I mean by paying technical debt? During design itself. Now, let's say your project is very complex and there are many technical decisions. Those need to be made in the beginning of the project. So, the developer or your architect has to spend enough time in order to identify the complexities in your project, do necessary research, and design your product accordingly. Now, it could consist of, to start with, it will be architecture first, like it could be 3-tier architecture. Nowadays, like product is web application as a front end, and again there is app which is front end, which could be on Android, iOS. So that is your front end. Then there is going to be API layer which is going to sit in between, and then there is going to be database. So make sure your design happens properly, architecture is ready, then high level design for your front end layer and business layer is done, and then data modeling for your database is done. So make sure your technical complexities are already identified beforehand. Solution for that has been researched, and this proper decision has been made. Make sure that decision has been documented if it is really complex. So later during the project execution, you know why that decision was being made. So that is called as paying technical debt. So make absolute sure that debt has been paid during the design phase. So that is suggestion number two. And suggestion number three is taking show and tell sessions every alternative week during execution or coding of the project. So let me write it down here. It is show and tell sessions. Now, the practices that I have been suggesting, they are some of them are coming from waterfall approach and some of them are coming from agile. Now, show and tell session is something coming from agile. Paying technical debt or your prototype, they are coming from waterfall. So it's mix of both. Now, when we are saying show and tell sessions, so what does that mean by? Now, developer would be showing client, end client, or SPOC means a single point of contact, every weekend or every alternate weekend what progress he has done. Let's say he has made some screens functional. So client can see those screens and then he can say, okay, these screens are not in line with my expectation. Okay, I need this change. So these issues or these changes could be identified in the very beginning of the project, or you can say even during the coding of the project. So what is the advantage of that? The advantage of that is these issues are, if these issues are major, it's better they are identified sooner and they get fixed, because in the end, like if they are getting identified during business testing, so developer has already finished his coding, his testing, integration testing, so it's so that causes customer unsatisfaction or whatever it is. So it's always better that we identify issues beforehand and we resolve them. So that would be definitely achieved through show and tell sessions. Now these are 3 suggestions based on the technical perspective. If you are looking from management perspective, there are a few suggestions like make sure your WBS is created, make sure your WBS, each package in the WBS has a date identified, delivery date has been identified, and client makes, like maybe every weekend or alternate weekend, client sees that okay, this was the date and this has been delivered as per my expectations. So those could be your suggestions from managerial perspective. I'm thinking of doing another video for that, but I think on the technical power front, this could be all. Thank you.